Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming versions and mods. Mismatches break saves. Next, locate the save folder on your platform, Windows App Data, or your server's saved ARC's local/worlds. Once found, make a fresh copy of the current save. This protects you if the backup is corrupt. You should also check timestamps so you know what will be overwritten. If you're on a hosted server, notify players, stop the server process, and download the backup files locally before proceeding. With the server stopped or the game closed, copy backup files into the save directory. Replace ARC profile and cluster files only when names and formats match. Mismatched names cause load failures. Once files are copied, verify file permissions and ownership because servers require correct access rights to read saves. If using a cluster, restore the same map order. Then restart the server briefly to let it rebuild indexes. Watch logs for errors and confirm the save loaded. Now, verify the restore by loading the backup in single player or a staging server. This confirms integrity without impacting players. If the world fails to load, stop and restore the fresh copy you made, then try a different backup version or roll forward with fewer mods. Make sure mod ID and versions match. Mismatched mods often cause crashes. One key troubleshooting tip: examine server logs for missing assets or deserialization.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.